So today we're going to Cavite. Got some plans to meet up with my buddies, you know? Pasa alam nila. But you know what messes me up? Wait, let me show you. Take a look at this. No parking at any time. See that? Then boom. You know what else? What messes me up? Trash. Look at this trash. Look at that. Bawal magtapon ng basura dito. And then goddamn trash and shit.
Ay, terminal na sa baba na, terminal.
Bago na. We are in the bago na. And before anything else, the smell at the back of the bus is like culo. Look at that cat greeting me. How you doing, buddy? You miss me? Alright, so we're back home. Here in beautiful Morning View subdivision. This is home, man. Alright. Okay, so we're heading out for lunch. I'm meeting up with this family, my friends, and my buddies. You're coming with. You're coming with. Let's go. General Nuvali in Cherry's Grill. At the door now. I think I ate too much. I ain't feeling well. Look at that, look at that.
Nakakakuha pa rin. Makakakuha. Pinapaano na sa akin yung plan.
And we are going back home. Someone said Jared. Yeah, si Jared. Check it out.
Mga tree of life to.
Marami oh, hindi
Tama
lang.
ba?
Tingnan mo.
Hindi, tree of life to. Life wire. Oh, buhay ka talaga.
So, it was a good meal. Had a great time. We walked to the park. Jing is coming over to record some guitar for his album. So, it's gonna be a lot of fun.
Ano yung presyo ng pagbili ko nito tapos?
Jing, anong nare-record mo, Jing?
Joyful. We had
Christmas song?
Christmas song. Other name, Ode to Joy.
Ode to Joy.
Then
Teka. Bonus, bonus.
Bonus track.
Bonus track, alright.
Give Thanks.
Give thanks.
Using APX.
APX, Pwede. Sige.
Tapos
Ano na tayo yun eh? Kalakalawang na yung string ko dun eh.
Anti-tetan. Iyon, tapos isa na lang. The Mary Did You Know.
Jing,
Ha?
kanina mo i-dedicate yung ano,
Yung Mary Did You Know.
yung mga album mo.
My album will be dedicated
To all my fans.
to God. And with special thanks to of course the Master Jordan, and the family and friends who supported this ministry.
Yun.
My beloved girlfriend
Yun.
and
Girlfriend daw, girlfriend.
to the fans worldwide. Kapal naman.
Alright, we're still gonna record some few songs later and finish his album. But I think I'm gonna end the vlog here, so good night.